5 reasons to use Nest thermostats in all rental properties. Welcome back to the channel. The Nest thermostat is a revolutionary device that has been proven to save energy and increase comfort levels in homes. Its easy-to-use interface and the ability to learn from its users make it one of the best investments for rental property owners. Lots of big-name property management companies are using Nest thermostats in their rental properties. Here are 5 reasons why I use the Nest thermostat in all of my properties. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Number 1. Nest thermostats can automatically adjust temperatures based on your tenant's daily routines. Some tenants work night schedules, while others work day shifts. Nest automatically learns when you are away and will adjust a temperature accordingly to save energy without sacrificing comfort levels for your tenants. Number 2, it reports when your tenant is away so you don't have to waste money heating or cooling an empty home. Nest automatically turns itself down when you're away from the house for a few hours. Nest learning thermostats use an average of 20% less energy to heat or cool your home. Number 3, you can control your temperature remotely. So, if it gets too hot or cold, just turn down or up manually. The landlord can handle complaints remotely from anywhere in the world. Number 4, the Nest app switches with other smart devices, like smoke alarms or security cameras, so you can have safety and comfort in one small app. Number 5, tenants cannot waste energy. Nest automatically turns itself down when no one is around to save energy. Nest thermostats are easy for tenants to use, so they won't be wasting money trying to figure out how it works. That's all for this video. Please comment below with other reasons why you are thinking about using the Nest thermostat. Please like and subscribe to see other videos, and thanks for watching.